Up next we have Jonathan Kaspar. Jonathan is a German producer. He returns to Cocoon recordings with a Twofold split, his third release on the label. True to his style, Jonathan blends powerful, I would say, and emotional techno vibes with subtle trance influences, and the result is a deep progressive journey. A journey of driving rhythms, immersive atmospheres that showcases his refined and forward-thinking sound. This release actually came out also on a colorful vinyl record. Here you can see on the label there are like 3 different shades of colors, and it was released together with another record that I have for you here. In fact, I'm going to share it with you. And I have the black versions of this release, but if you are lucky enough, you might be able to find also the colorful ones. I would say I really enjoyed both records. What an incredible project! What an incredible project! So it was a little bit tricky to choose which track to play and share during our show, because I absolutely love them all. They are bombs. They are bombs. I already tested them live in some of my recent sets, and I chose to share with you Silver Lines, because it has this beautiful hypnotic drive that I can't get tired of playing. It offers a good contrast, I would say. A minimalist, almost meditative start with a slow rhythm that tightens up its grip as the synths cut through the calm and transform the experience into something sharper and more intense. It's something that I really enjoyed it. It worked incredibly well on the dance floor, but we can't get tired of playing this record on rotation also here at XYZ. So without further ado, I'm gonna share this incredible release with you. This is Jonathan Kaspar, Twofold, and released on Cocoon Recordings. Take it all in. We are streaming live from the XYZ Creative Center in beautiful Conegliano, Italy, moving from mellow vibes to peak hour bangers. Enjoy! I think I enjoyed so much the Fragments of Reality record that I got back to it, but what I wanted to share is Jonathan, so let's get back to it. This was Jonathan Kaspar, a fantastic release on Cocoon Recordings, Twofold. This was Ignite. There's also Fade, which is the other cover we just shared.